Forget what you think you know about Apple and AI. This isn't about some GPT knockoffs or cloudy buzzwords. Apple just played the long game. And if you're a developer, you're about to live in it. We're talking about an entire AI ecosystem that lives where Apple has always been most dangerous, on device. Privacy first, performance tuned, and now, developer ready at every level. Whether you just want to sprinkle a little intelligence into your app or build bleeding-edge neural networks running natively on the neural engine, Apple has given us the full ladder, and it all stands on one rock-solid foundation: Apple Silicon. Let's dive in and check out the details. Level 1, Platform Intelligence, where it just works. At the surface level, AI just happens. Users never touch a setting. Optic ID on Vision Pro. Math-aware handwriting on iPad. Background noise erasing itself in FaceTime. This tier is invisible, effortless, magical. But here's what's new: Apple Intelligence. Generative AI is now baked system-wide. Want custom Genmoji? It's there. Writing tools across your app? Already integrated. Image Playground. You can drop a full-blown image generator inside your SwiftUI app with one line of code. No servers, no prompts to engineer, no models to fine-tune. Apple does the heavy lifting. You just build. Level 2, ML-powered APIs. Need more than what's built in? Welcome to the Foundation Models framework. In iOS 26, Apple dropped a bomb. Direct, on-device access to their large language model. You can now summarize text, extract data, classify input, generate dialogue. And you can do all of that offline, private, no tokens, and no cloud fees. It's 3 lines of Swift. That's it. Want more power? Define custom Swift structs and let the model populate them with guided generation. Let your app call tools with tool calling. Weather, calendar, live context, it's now part of the conversation. Generate images via code with Image Playground. Donate context to the keyboard for smart replies. Detect documents and smudges with Vision. Transcribe lectures accurately with Speech Analyzer. You want control? Apple gave you an API buffet, and it's all built to run fast and private. Level 3, Core ML. Bring your own model. Now we're talking custom ML. If you're a machine learning engineer or you're grabbing third-party models, you'll love what Apple's done with Core ML. Convert PyTorch models using Core ML tools. Optimize for Apple Silicon. Compression, fusion, latency tuning. Drop them into Xcode, inspect layers, profile performance. Get auto-generated Swift interfaces. Core ML doesn't just support your model, it makes it better, faster, leaner, safer. And with smart dispatching across CPU, GPU, and neural engine, performance is automatic and scalable. Need full control? You've got Metal, MPS Graph, and the new BNNS Graph Builder. Think custom pipelines, real-time processing, your code, your rules. Level 4, MLX and research tools, the AI frontier. And for those on the edge of the frontier, Apple built MLX. This isn't just a framework. It's a new philosophy. Python plus Apple Silicon plus unified memory equals research without limits. No more bottlenecks moving tensors between CPU and GPU. MLX runs large models, supports fine-tuning, distributed training, and plays nice with your PyTorch and JX stacks. And guess what? It's open source, community-driven, and already filled with hundreds of usable models on Hugging Face. Apple isn't just playing catch-up. They're building foundations for AI that respect privacy, performance, and dev sanity. So what's the big takeaway? Apple's AI strategy isn't just a response. It's a refined, layered system, seamless tools for designers and devs, precise APIs for engineers, hardcore infrastructure for researchers, all sitting on top of one of the most advanced chips in consumer tech. From drag-and-drop Genmoji to full-on model deployment, Apple didn't just enter the AI race. They redefined the track, built the stadium, and made sure everyone had a ticket. Thanks for watching, and let's catch up in the next Byte Chronicles episode with focus on new WWDC technologies and launches.